So for now, we got that Nodemon package installed, and it will just work because it automatically installed all the dependencies this package needs in turn. So how can we now use it? Node1 is a utility tool, and it allows us to run our application, our Node application, through this package here, which will run Node.app.js in the end, but which will also watch our files for changes and restart the process for us if we do change something. So we can simply change start here, so the Node.app.js command, to Nodemon app.js. And this will look for a Nodemon tool, which it will find in this project because we installed it here. As a side note, if you were to run Nodemon app.js down there, you would get an error that this command is not found, because it's only installed in this project and not globally on your machine, but the terminal will try to find this globally. Here, it will work because this will look globally. So if you now run npm start, this will simply start the Node server and output some extra information. And if you now go to your routes.js file and edit something, let's just add an extra line, and you save that file, you see it's restarting. And this, of course, is very convenient because now we don't have to spend time on manually exiting and restarting. Now this is done for us.